Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, Ghana time. uh, Today is a beautiful Monday morning. I believe most of you are currently at your work centers. Yeah. Share the link for me. Share the link for me. When you get the live streaming, share the link for me. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to you all. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. And a prime good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Elizabeth Odro. Chia mu nyinaa no pay. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Kodwapi Asante, salute you. And to say Bibi Felix Bibi. I think you are in the afternoon section. We are in the morning section. 32 minutes past the hour, 11 a.m. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Arabakum Singh. So this morning, my bus site, and I play my bus site. Nana J, Bibi Aboko, good morning to you. And I play my bus site, Maybe here, baby, I drew. So, see, wow, 2:33 p.m. in Israel. Okay, in South Africa, it's 1:33 in the afternoon. Wow. Ghana, the FNI, you walk anopa 11:33. Nti Ghana, the you anopa. Yes, aneti. It is aneti anopa. You be here, baby. On my project in Edru. Araba, who see me employ? Ejuma be pa na Araba betimi aye. Araba ejuma be na betimi aye. You say aye graviato. O hwe dan ho a. Aye graviato. Oh. O hwe dan ho a, aye graviato. Aye graviato. Egusu aye graviato no. Wiring no de o ma ye wiring nyina awie. Egusu aye graviato no. To check ya wa be hu. Wa hwe dan ho a. O hwe abon se ye ba bia me nsa we bon se graviato no. Eboa. Nti graviato no na egusu aye no. Wa hwe. Hwɛ soro ha yɛayɛ wayare nyinaa awie biara yɛayɛ awie wire no so yɛtɔ wires papa o yɛde cable metal ɔsɛ cable metal na ɛyɛ papa ɛno na wɔde yɛ wo dan a ɛma wo dan no ɛnhyehyehyehyɛ rough di nti a yɛ ana fire outbreak ɔsɛ Ghana yɛ lighting system no nyɛ nti nam sɛ yɛ lighting system no nyɛ ne nti no sɛ wɔn use wire a ɛyɛ papa a de biara bɔ sɛ na fire ayi ɔmoma light out a saa power fluctuation wodi agorɔ a wo dan ahye nti wo aburokyire na wosi dan a mpatwɔ eduru wire a yɛ atɔ cable metal ne boɔ na ɛde bato mie w'ani na ɔyɛ a ɛno ano boa nti so far so good so far so good so far so good nti saa na tie anɔpa yi mekyiakyia wo baabi a wo biara ɛsrɛ Awurade nhyira de ma wo Awurade ahobammɔ ntɔ wo so Awurade ma wo nkonimdie Awurade ma wo ntimi ndi nkonim wɔ w'atamfo so Anadwa Obri Abua says money they talk. Oh, you know be say go come. This one you be sharp. Maybe say go come. They say Mayan in Tama 29th on a year 29th no so the also near Sasakram and to me or who say so I don't know Van Dani Unipama Eshebreni. Na men kasa ma die ni homra na de wo hoso so a onipa ne mpere men yim firi ho so 29 for ha ne ye no wa man tem a unya ba bi mtena ene ubegina street mu saa na wa be hwa ade ni if you say ahemfo mpemfo medical doctors lawyers judges divine destiny clan mpemfo mo wo tutu kwan wa brutre omo nyina beba abechia the godfather so that is just by the way. And today, dear, but you gusu ayeye. You gusu ayeye na wa. In fact, adia Yesu be bia ye, adia Yesu won bia wo ye bia na Daniel ni monyam. What you say? Arabakum sing. Araba, I have opened a slave queen school. I want you to be the head mistress over there. Monthly salary, 10,000 Ghana cedis. Will you do it? As a businessman, I must look sharp. I have seen that the slave queen business, there's money in it. So I have 2 acres of land and I have used to establish slave queen school. I learned there's one pastor in Accra who has opened a slave queen institution. And every month, each of the slave queen, he takes 2,000 Ghana from them. I have to look sharp or else they will enjoy and leave me behind. Araba, you say me consider something with the normal investment as well. We 2 acre or 2 acre. Since we had a many circle sense so. I had a school near Biababoa. Patrick, and she said, you yes, cow, and Tibia Scow, we are won't treachery and investment or he said, me focus was slave queens. We be slave queen school. Not matter more franos, what I say. Slave queen, someone now me per bow, bit me a head mistress. OPATAFUOR. So that is just by the way. We are still on course. It shall be well. Hey, East Lagos also, yeah, that place too. It's a very nice avenue for that investment. Okay, I'll consider that place too. I'll consider that place. Slave Queen School. So, can you give me a name for the school? The paparazzi women, or what? Or the sharp women? We must get a fancy name. We must get a fancy name for the school. Look sharp. Or one night stand. Or one wife. And oh my goodness. So gradually we are getting there. We are getting there. We are getting there, as you can see. The Graviato and the everything. The water is still on course. The water. See, maybe a better crown. Okay, let's say the school, let's name it Forget Team Legal Wife. Forget Team Legal Wife. Then Complex. Oh, it sounds good. Maybe I will be a Mechiamo. Dream maybe another DBI series. One and sa Abrabona edi adwendwena ti a edi agro ebe pressure na ebenya. What you say? Udi adwendwena ti a edi agro ebenya pressure. So sometimes you make fun of certain life incidents, then you just move on. That's it. We don't necessarily have control over certain things, and that's how it's supposed to be. And the Kian friend, lascivious and audacious femme fatale. What you say? Lascivious and audacious femme fatale. I see any saying. Asiane say a mass son no ho fa ye de o masum fidie wa brabom. So lascivious and audacious femme fatale. What you say? In the school, no slave queen school, no title no. Lascivious and audacious femme fatale. A mass son no ho fa ye de o masum memam fidie. Oma bom memma pimpim fo. Oma memma bibiri akwa ase. Me dem be se makwa ase o. Se sofo baako. Oso one slave queen fo ndi be boani won kran. No omo di aboani a na se slave queens na yi na hwe ho atese. Oma ma ni sika nyina sa. We have been passing music by sound, Mr. Slave queen who be a dimachimi break you. Slave queen who be a tata more dying, my break your free home. Say Yesu na bi tata Yesu sao na Yesu soli anadwo baako bompa esa anadwo no bompa esa na ja ahiri mu hene je no. It's not easy to resist the slave queens. So the slave queens, they have that charming powers. Their tongue has been anointed. The tips of their fingers are being anointed. The way they talk, the way they do their voice, and the way they will flatter you. Nobody will tell you that. Take all your offertory and give it to them. Say, so for back could be. Or yeah, sorry, we are not only sleeping for now, but them. Any other corner that swimming pool, na. And my crocran Musa. Who you are not the college in our day. Say what to us all in him. If you ask about who I buy and so baby. If you for Pamian, if you for Pamian, slave queen for some I na about the so for so tire so any back up at the end of there. Chedrum Rebia Drum Rebia, we are there. Oshia Seba could be another fast a grand coffee. Set Bible see or Trini Beria Sem Prenso. Osheba Kwana Cassis, no I fast coffee. Oh my goodness. So that is just by the way. It's all part of life. Jewado ntimi nkipi sika onye sika na omaje enu akra se woto data ma gebi Jewado Jewado ntimi nkipi sika on guess bear 5 nye easy onya na odi ascend my boys bro boys brepa nye easy ya mu hu boys ni mo bo kakra mame nye easy. So basically that's how it's supposed to be. Enjoy life, but be wise. As a young guy, you must enjoy life. I give you that merit. Hey, Araba Kumsin says she's not getting some. Araba, you sure? Also the abroad for how enti Araba si wonya bi oti wa yes single bi awa America ana Araba umpa America for pacho boga bi awda hokwa bi ano Araba say obi ani link ne so me ye campaign Bacho Araba say boga bi awa America or Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain. Yes sir. Oda okwa obi ani network de so into ada Roma. Ni ana je me ye campaign ma anya ne say anya yi. So that's just by the way. So as a young guy, as I was saying, you must enjoy life, entertain yourself. Try as much as possible to entertain yourself. But in as much that you are entertaining yourself, then at least you try and then save something little. Okay? You save something little for future life uncertainties. It will help you. Okay? Okay? So that is just by the way. As a young guy, you must do investment. I'm a type that I don't joke with investment. Okay? I'm a type that I don't joke with investment. Investment is the only way to which you can be able to meet up with your normal daily responsibilities. As a man, if you don't want to be embarrassed, if you always want to be respected, do a lot of investment. Okay? Do a lot of investment. look smart in life. I love investment very well. I'm a type that I love investment. So every little opportunity, I try to grab it. I don't allow opportunities to slip through my fingers just like that. Okay? You invest, and then if you are married, make sure to take care of your wife. Okay? Make sure to take care of your wife if you are married. And the wives too. Try and respect your husbands. The most painful thing is, a man will work so hard just to surprise a woman. The only thing a man needs from a woman is respect. No matter what, be a gentle soul. Okay? No matter what, as a woman, be a gentle soul. Don't overstep your boundaries. Don't hew insults on your husband, your fiancé, or whatever. Comport yourself. Discipline yourself in all angles. Okay? Discipline yourself in all angles. Discipline yourself. As a woman, comport yourself. The composure itself should speak for you. Be a gentle soul. Don't take things personal as well. Okay? And enjoy life. Enjoy life. As a woman, I will never allow any zenith of heavens member, as a woman or any divine destiny clan member, to raise her voice on the husband. With that, I will never buy that. Those of you who have worked with me for quite long, you can attest to the fact that OPATAFUOR, when it comes to these things, I don't allow women to disrespect men. No matter what, be calm. It makes you so sweet, and it makes you to gain relevance. Okay? Be a gentle soul as a woman. Be a gentle soul, a nice soul, like the spirit of the dove. Okay? When you do that, everything that you need, you'll get it. Enjoy life. Enjoy life. Don't allow anybody to intimidate you with any hell. Like when you die, you go to hell. Don't allow anybody to intimidate you with that. Enjoy life. Enjoy life. Enjoy life. In a responsible way. Okay? Enjoy life. Bible say, ono mranti bremu ejire ngoma moninje. You will bear 45 years. Ono ukuru nete. Bi ama oba ku mienu miensa bi. Israel sister. Said ye be mani tie dia o de afuobuo ni akrokro man saa na onye adwuma no ntimi fa hwe woni nkwala no. Na ebasa eboa. Okay? Ade a ya pa ne se be ma sori anopa. Oka woni tirim ni nakoma me kope bibia ba ama meyere ne me maadi. Na oyire ensa muwa. In fact, ya pa yi. Eti aya me pese saa de no. Ebi be free ziniti ni ba bia mu. Me pese ziniti fo ma ba bia obeduru bia no. Yesoronko. What you say? Esu bi wo mu na nya atotwene. Fasa esu ni ma me cool lie. Na de bia fa ni die esafata. Efama bema. Na oye saa ubenya nhira bebre no anya adinya kese de afirim. Ade ba kwa areho ne se ma bebre ye omo ho sese bi omo ni nyansa prase de mema. Ene saa ma ni nyina bebre ahwehwe ase bebre atofom bebre nya amane ohaw ne nkwadana ne nkonua ne da omutiri so. Sraw obade utotu a eden a etwere be ma dem. Why? Ukra koto dwem. Now, you'll be a blessing. Okay? Enjoy life. Enjoy life. Don't allow anybody to intimidate you. Enjoy life. Enjoy it to the maximum level. What you say? Yana makachiro. Style bia or Philibia and enjoy it. What do you say? So if you are lying down, lie down well. If it is doggy, do it well. Sister, for doggy ni jenioma. For jenioma na we are saying this said you no. What you say? For doggy ni jenioma. Debia obadie kusua. What you say? But oyo oba kusua Delilah subain. Bible no mu nyina ema me ensa pe ena omusuban ya me fe. What you say? Bible no mu nyina ema me ensa na omusuban ya me fe. First one, Mary Magdalene. Said you see kro Yesu. Said you look comfortable. Ena Abigail your baby on nyansa pa abra oba David abra bom. Obesiesie David ahiniam. Enti David nyans David ahiniye ye kesi nyina no. Oba ye friend say Abigail on siesie David ahiniam. What you say? Enti uwia na wafa eye Delilah subain. Delilah your oba bia na no ode. Delilah or your babia na no de pa. Enti uyo oba aya mo ano de. Mo ano nye de pa. Imagine obi a yaka kire Samson say hwe no wan kire ba bia na ho odin woda. Na Delilah timia akrokro na ma waka ba bia na ho odin wo. In fact, ma wano nye de wa abrabom so yo oba mo wano nye de. Ma wano enso so owo. What you say? Oyo oba ubufu kra ema obi ahu. Ye gentle, be a gentle soul. Ema obi ahu. Be man na ne bufu a e wo se epie out. Oba obufu a ema ne pie out. Try. Na comfort yourself. Okay? Ne basa nya me be shiraw. It is wrong. Dia wuye bia no ma enidie eni asuhwe nya de emra ho. Sebe ukunu kra ofum ana odidi watem a. Don't retaliate. When you retaliate, it means you don't respect. Maybe what the man is doing is of no right, but you are also not permitted to talk back at him just like that. Okay? Ana asofo maamefo na abo ha no mumu bebre mu ha adwene asofo maamefo no mu ha adwene papa mo sole a mo di holy holistic mama Jesus mo ma asofo ni mfili sofo maamefo no mo ma asofo ni mfili o mo mfili na nyamdwuma no nye izi sa sofo maame yes you stars. Yes, you stars. Now, Dan Higa, yana a cakey. She new stars, and yet dead. Oh, what the Bible not to Bible no. Bible no, what the Achim Hosanna, and Talitintin and Masha. When you couldn't defeat Atalia, you know the other. So, yeah, she's transparent in Tari. What you say? Try and put on transparent wears, the see-through wears. Let everything show. Throw the picture to the man, and by virtue of that, I'll sell the car and give you the money. Okay. So the problems with Sofumame Fuano is that they are too pious. They be na Matthew, Mr. Jababo, no, na Matthew, and Timina, no one's going to be more brown, Bible name. Okay? Make your husbands happy in the houses. As of Mammy Fuana, they be o compare of Mammy Crown, these are buttons. And because you're somewhere now, if you didn't say, huh? Coppers of Mammy, I feel no, yeah, holy, eh? Just uncle, she has seven, a house of holy Baha. Huh? Unquana, Hunkuna foul. Huh? So for Mary, Unquana, Hunkuna foul. Yeah, we just have. So make your various homes comfortable, okay? Make your various houses, make it a living place. Some of you people, you have turned your various homes into hell. Where you have set your own houses ablaze. And that is not how it's supposed to be. So as a nice, gentle soul, try. And as a man too, don't be hard. Don't deny the women. Yeah, we're dear. Manisikandi. And monitor more thing. Now, yes, sir. And what? To the Srawa, I mean, come home, baby. I'm going to be hano. Yamia do my enumerable 8 Ibeshia. And net a year. What do you call it? Today I'll talk about the 48 months to paradise. Arabakum Singh says she wants to get married. Mr. Boga Bia Oda Hokwa, our Germany, Italy, Spain, Canada. Bia Bacho Arabase Bacho Oda Hokwa, Chese. Ekobe Araba Ubie Japa Yakobe say. So Oda Hokwa de say nye izu. Sheena says, Sheena, were you born in the month of June? All those who were born in the month of June, you are special people, and I pray for you. Eradin humu mobo, eradin shiramu, ompejamo, omye biye kwamamo, enewiye yi misra wasore de to abraboso. Eradin mamon tiasem de, musuo ka kwenshia, yareda ho owuo eniguasiye, eradin yimfiri muso. Eradin mamo cash. It means some bo or sika futuro mu pete wo so. Wa wo ton ade bia ye nto. Wa wo ton bibi so ye nto. What you say? Hey, Araba si be 4 years ni won bi eja o. Ene say Araba was you. 4 years ni na won bi eja de Araba si say kwan na si o. We just say sa ko han excavator na dia be yi kwan na tumo. Oh my goodness. Hey Araba, 4 years there, ebi wo me kwan na si dodo. Anything na nsan ya ma wani ye o ya yo. Araba se na nsan wani ye o ya me boa. Ko gwa bia me boa. And saying Araba woman pania ne ahoma wo ntimi mfa nhye na ni nyina anye. So tonight exactly 8:00 p.m. catch me live on this same channel, and it's going to be 6-7 minutes. I'm going to take my hair down. The hair is quite bushy. So I'm going to take it down for today's purpose. I must look fresh and smart. The hair is too bushy. So catch me on today exactly 8:00 p.m. We're going to talk about 48 months to paradise. This is a program that I personally initiated it, and it's purportedly for generating multiple streams of income, where I've taken to myself to advise you on the usual base regarding investment Investment is something that you can't neglect in your life. It is very important. You must invest wisely in this world. Haidano should be the statement of a fool, okay? And don't be part. So, meet me exactly 8 so that I'll use some chicken change to motivate you. Nkora sika bia nhwese menya 2 cities bi wo form na mafa na ja me dia motivate you now so akoma to yem na watimi ayedai abobra nti nyame aso ndwe nkan ba bia wo bia adwuma mu ho mesmo nyame gya de to wo mo amoye adwuma. I send the fire of the seraphims to be stationed in your job place. If you are in your own private sector, may you receive the quantum lift, a divine acceleration at your workplace. Anyone who wants your downfall, in the name of the Messiah, may that person be visited by thunderstorm. May you live and declare the goodness of the Lord. Anybody who wants you to shed tears, anybody hiding in the dark realm, instigating, inciting, conspiring against you, in the name of Jesus, may that places receive a measure of the Holy Spirit fire. May you be blessed and be fully fortified in your soul, in your spirit, and then your flesh. May you remain touchless. No evil eye can harm you. No evil entity can bring you down. I leave you with the peace of the Holy One. Good afternoon to you. Now, come home. Now, I'm trying to hey, OPATAFUOR, the most troublesome pastor. German food, the German bloggers. This very night, I visited Germany. One of my son, he was calling out to me at the late hours, so I had no option to pay him a visit. So I was in Germany this night, and a lot of things happened. By the way, I'll tell you, Doctor, greetings to you as well. God bless you. Salute you. Catch you this evening exactly 8 o'clock p.m.